what's going on? Todd Shaw here with another episode of the Sawdust Dude. You know, I want to talk to you about our tools because they're kind of like our employees. Yeah, not late, but they should make us money and make life easier. And I want to talk to you about my employee of the month, and that's the Kreg Portable Workstation. It's a tool, especially like in my micro shop here, that I use because I don't have a lot of room. And so when I need it, I pull it out and I can fold it back up and stick it back in the corner. But it's portable enough to also take on the work site. And so it's a real helpful tool. So let's dive in and take a look at it. Talk about several of the selling points or the good features about the Kreg Portable Workstation. Number one, as it in the name, it is very portable and light. Get it to the job site or here in my workshop. Just kind of fold it out, flip up the table, two different sections, and you're ready to start work. Now the great thing about the top, nice and durable, holds up to 350 pounds. Obviously you don't want to sit on or anything like that. Comes with some nice features up top. Got two little wells, so if you're running your pocket screws, you don't want to accidentally knock off your screws. You got a little recessed area there for your pocket screws that comes in real handy. Also, two big or larger holes at the end. I want to keep this area close to me. That way I can put my impact driver so I start running in my screws I'm ready to do. Got two sides, so when I have my drill bit when I have my drill bit on this side, I've got place for two guns, so I can just keep going and working on a steady pace. One of the great features that I like about this table is the center track and this adjustable clamp that just kind of slides in right like that. It's self-adjusting, so 3/4 inch stock. It just clamps right down all the way to, this is like 4 inches, and so from here it pivots around, and so I can have it working like that. So if I want to use this, say I'm making pocket screws, and I can just drill in that way, and I've got my stock nice and secure. I'm not fumbling around. So it's a great feature with this adjustable locking clamp that locks down on my deck surface there. Another great feature of this table are the little holes here. You got a row on each side. And these are great for bench dogs or dog clamps, bench dogs. And so from in here, say I have this piece of wood and I want to lock this down here, and I've got holes I want to screw in there. I can put my bench dogs like this, move this forward, lock that down. And that way if I wanted to drill in, this piece is secured now and I don't have my stock jumping all around. So this adjustable clamp is one of the features there that I really like. You see how easy it just locks down and allows you to work. Holds my pieces in real secure in conjunction with the bench dogs that work like that. Try to get a different camera shot here for you. Stick those in there like that. Butt this piece up. You can rise these up a little bit. They're still secure. I can bring this in and then lock that down. Works out real well. I also use these bench dogs a lot when I'm running. Say I want to plane down a piece of wood. I can put my bench dog here and then just put my foot on the back of the table a little bit just to secure it up. If I want to do some planing, I've got a nice work surface for that to run some to do some planing with. 3, 2. Hey, thanks for joining us again on another episode of the Sawdust Dude. Hey, I hope you like the review on the portable workstation. It's a lot of fun. It's one of my favorites, so check it out. Get you one. Also, visit our website, sawdustdude.com. Facebook, Todd Shaw, the Sawdust Dude. And make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. Check it out. Thanks again.